Aloha beach lovers, welcome back to another Hawaii walking tour video. Today we're taking you on a sun-soaked adventure. We're headed to the stunning shores of South Maui. From beautiful white sand beaches to rocky shorelines with incredible snorkeling, we're showing you our favorite spots in the area. Let's dive right in. First up, we're headed to beautiful Polo Beach. Polo Beach is located in Wailea, fronting the Fairmont Kealani Resort, and sits at the southern end of the Wailea Beach Path. This popular pathway connects several beaches and resorts in the area. The beach is divided into two sections and provides plenty of space for visitors to relax and enjoy the stunning views. Polo Beach is known for its beautiful scenery, featuring tall palm trees, golden sand, and unique lava rock formations. The calm waters around the rocky area at the northern end make it an excellent spot for snorkeling. Polo Beach also offers several amenities to ensure a comfortable visit. Whether you're looking to snorkel, walk the beach path, or simply relax and enjoy the beauty of Maui, Polo Beach in Wailea is a great destination on your next Maui adventure. Next, we're headed down the road to Po'olelena Beach Park. Po'olelena is located just a mile south of Polo Beach and is one of our favorite beaches on the South Shore. This long and often uncrowded sandy beach is the perfect place for a beach day, with shady areas and plenty of space for relaxation. When the water is calm, the snorkeling can be fantastic, but during the summer there can sometimes be waves that stir up the visibility, which is good news for boogie boarders. Po'olelena means yellow head and is said to refer to a long-time landmark, a yellow streaked rock on the golf course on the other side of the road. The main parking area is currently undeveloped and is popular with locals, families, and fishermen. Whether you're here for the snorkeling, boogie boarding, or just to relax, Po'olelena Beach Park is a must-visit spot on the South Shore. If you're finding this video helpful so far, be sure to give us a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on all our latest Maui adventures. Mahalo! Welcome to beautiful Maluaka Beach. This amazing stretch of beach on the South Shore is located just down the road from Po'olelena Beach Park. Offering a long stretch of sandy coastline, Maluaka seems like the ideal Maui beach for the whole family. At the southern end of the beach, you'll find free public parking. From there, a short sidewalk leads you to the beach access point. After navigating a few steep steps, you'll find yourself right on the sand. Maluaka Beach is also a fantastic spot for snorkeling. Snorkeling is best on the south side of the beach, where you'll find lots of coral and marine life. Although we didn't see any turtles on our visit, you're bound to find them here. For those wanting an adventure on the water, the Kanani Catamaran offers a unique and convenient experience with its beach loading right from the shores of Maluaka. It's just a short 20-minute sail to the famous Molokini crater from here, giving you more time to enjoy snorkeling and less time on the water. Just above the beach, you'll find a perfect area with picnic tables to enjoy the view. Perfect for all types of visitors, Maluaka Beach is a fantastic choice for a beach day during your next trip to South Maui. Our next spot takes us down to a beautiful black sand beach. we're headed to Oneuli Beach. Not too far away from our last stop, this beach features a beautiful coastline and is a perfect place for a quiet stroll away from the crowds. The sand here is a mix of crushed lava rock and seashells, giving it a unique dark color. To get here, you'll need to drive down a dirt trail. At the end, you'll find a small parking area. Since this beach is part of Makena State Park, there is a parking fee required for non-residents. The beach sits in front of a few multi-million-dollar houses, with new ones currently under construction. Behind the beach, you'll find a hidden treasure, the wetlands. Look for native birds that frequent the area. Don't miss the informative signs that teach you more about this unique ecosystem. We love the ruggedness of this beautiful spot. It's truly unlike any other beach in the area. It's actually one of only 2 black sand beaches on the island, which makes it a truly special place. Our South Maui journey brings us to our next spot, Big Beach. Also known as Oneloa or Makena Beach, this gorgeous stretch of sand is actually Maui's largest undeveloped beach. It's nearly 2/3 of a mile long and up to 100 feet wide in some areas. But be careful, the powerful shore break here can be intense, especially during the summer south swells. Ocean swells approach rapidly from deep water and the high waves crash directly on the sand. Always pay attention to the lifeguard's advice and posted signs. For that reason, we recommend enjoying this beautiful spot from the shoreline. You definitely won't want to miss this beautiful beach on your next visit to the south side of the island. As we continue our drive south, the road eventually narrows and winds along the coastline, offering stunning ocean views. As we enter the Natural Area Reserve, you'll notice the landscape change. You'll see lava rock beaches around every corner. The Natural Area Reserve is a protected area located on the southwest corner of the island. Established in 1973, it was the first designated natural area reserve in the state. Parking here costs $5 per vehicle for non-residents. The rugged lava rock trail takes about 10 minutes to get to the snorkeling spot. As you walk down, you'll be surrounded by black lava fields. Be sure to read all signage while in the reserve and only enter the water in designated entry areas. Just look for the sign with the yellow fish on it. That's where you'll get in and out of the water. Snorkeling at this reserve is amazing, with some of the island's most vibrant coral and diverse marine life. highly recommend a visit to this beautiful reserve on your next trip to Maui. Mahalo for joining us on another epic Maui adventure. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Maui travel inspiration, insider tips, and breathtaking adventures.